are making a chicken burger. So Mane will be taking us through the ingredients. Okay, so first off, we have 2 rolls, 4 chicken fillets, 1 tomato, sliced butter, lettuce, mayonnaise, spice for your chicken, salt, pepper, cheese, Parmalat cheese, guys, Parmalat cheese. Berenice will be taking us through the sauce. Thank you. Yes, this is homemade chilies. This was made in naynayskitchen. Yeah. Alright, what are we doing first? Okay, so Berenice will be buttering the rolls and putting it on the grill while I marinate the chicken or spice the chicken, however you want to do it. Okay, so I don't know, Berenice, how do you want to do the thing for today? What do you mean? How do you want to do today's thing we have in stock for them? You start us off. What do you mean? How do you do that naturally? That is what I'm also trying to figure out. Okay, well, we'll start the video silently then. It will come to us naturally then. No, man, start. Bruh, you start. Who come with egg? You have to speak English. They don't understand. Why must I start? Because you're the oldest and you were born first. Oh, we're going like that now? Yes. Nah. When we had to do our hair young, when we were younger, what did you tell me? What did you tell me? Oh, no, the youngest has to go first. Yes. Yes. Because you always wanted to get your hair done. When mom was like, okay, who we doing hair first? And you're like, no, I'm going first. That was when I was younger. Okay, now it's different. Now, yeah, you volunteer, you ask your mother. Or you ask mommy. Yeah, girl, no. You're the one that acts like you're older, so it's a 50-50 win-win. I don't even know if it's gonna even melt here. You should have turned the thing on before, yeah. Well, it's gonna sit here for a while. That looks nice. Oh, delicioso. Start. You frightened start. Elke yes. No. This is unfair. This is unfair treatment. It's not. It should be a 50-50 thing. Here's the face of the show. It's not, guys. You see what I'm going through. Yeah. Don't come telling them. See what I'm going through. You can't see me. Can you see me? Move. You're singing Golden Hour. It's wrong. I'm singing How a Heartbreak Feels Like. No. Yes. Oh, yes. Yeah. Yo. Relax. It just started heating up. Do we want burnt bread? This is the one that used to burn the stuff when Ma used to ask, go make the things. Don't start. I will start now. You know what sound would be good for this? That cricket sound. Yeah, well, the crickets are there outside. Yo, actually. Yeah, I had to go for my orientation and there was a cricket and I'm like, I'm not going there by the passenger side of the garage. I'm like, no. I wait for my mother to pull out the car and I'm like, won't see me there. Yeah, it's dead now. Actually, no. Did you see it? No. How come I never saw it? You were sleeping. No, like I'm talking about rock-a-bye, baby, rock-a-bye. I'm gonna rock you. Don't you cry, Sven? Don't you think that's true? The feelings you feel. Christoph, let down your guard. Oh my gosh. Again you're gone. Off on a different path than mine. I'm left behind, wondering if I should follow. Yeah, to go. And I guess it's always fine. Probably could catch up with you tomorrow. And it does what it feels like to be growing apart. Baby, how did I begin to always face in your heart? Then I turn around and find I am lost in the woods. Up is down, right is left when you're gone. Now I know you. Yeah, we know the rest of the lyrics, unfortunately. Yo, it's like this thing does just not want to cook. It takes time. Patience. I didn't have no patience. Is it just me? It's just chicken glycerin like. Actually, yo, looking nice. The olive oil did something. It's giving what? I generally wonder, do chickens make a sound when they're being cut up? I heard now when they chop their heads, they still run. Yeah, like I was like, yo, for real. I never. Where do they run to? I don't know, bruh. Like, I think people chop their heads and then I think they let go of the body. I don't know. Guys, does the chicken come first or does the egg? Like, I need to know. I googled it now and Google said it's the egg. So, guys, you must comment down below which one comes first. Guys, man, me and my father were having a debate. He was having Kellogg's and milk, and he put the Kellogg's in the microwave, and I'm like, you don't eat it like that. You don't eat it like that. No, if you eat it like that, there's something wrong with you. Yes, I would rather have warm milk. That's even Kellogg's. Wrong. That's even wrong. Like, I can't have it like that. You must have cold milk and Kellogg's. So comment down below, how do you have your Kellogg's or whatever you call it? Cornflakes. Yeah, cornflakes. Should we like just take it off? No. We're gonna wait forever. Yeah, like, can't the... Okay, it doesn't have a... So now we're gonna take off the rolls. Yours should have a lines name, but we just impatient right now. Yeah. Ooh. Okay, this one can flutter here. Okay. And when, alright. Yeah, you see, they must look something like that. Oh, nice. But this one just has to. Yes, guys, as you see, we got our things. We got our chef jackets. Yeah, it's a bit, yeah, like robots right now. So you might hear sounds. Yeah, we apologize for that. Is this the end? Okay, we only have one end. She's putting the mayonnaise on the end. I'm not doing the work today, guys. I'm just frying stuff. What you talking? No, go. Oh, and assembling. Yeah, exactly. It's fine. It's hot. We'll put on the side. It's fine. Don't press so hard, bruh. I'm not pressing hard. I understand we are trying to get lines there, but it's fine. We'll let her. You will put the thing here on it. And then you will close it like this. No. Or am I putting it on both sides? No. Why did you put it here? Because everyone's taking forever. So, we just finished the rolls. So now I'm just going to like wipe this off. Because, yeah, you know, I'm not built like that, guys. Okay, so we just wiped that finish. And now we're going to put the chicken on. Yes, it must cook 5 minutes on one side and 5 minutes on the other side. Okay. Your face. Yes, we're gonna let that cook for 10 minutes. Yeah. Remember
Yeah.
although it's remember me. I don't know how that's the song.
Yeah. Yo, I'm literally singing "Remember Me," and I'm like, why?
Yeah, guys, we were listening to music before we came here. And then my song, Dance with the Stranger came on, and Shimei's like, You know, she likes that song. Every single time she plays the song. And I just like, no, not happening. How does it go? I'm dancing with the stranger. I'm dancing, I'm dancing. Ooh, I'm dancing. Look what you made me do. I'm with somebody new. Baby, baby, I'm dancing with a stranger. Baby, baby. Maybe cook. No, it looks so nice. Yes, it does. You can see the sauce. Yes. Yeah, we started school, guys. I wrote a billion baselines. Probably say fail them all. My teachers are on here. My apologies, guys. I tried really hard, but my brain failed me. I even forgot how to spell my own name. That's crazy. They spelled the surname right, but your name wrong.
Bruh, imagine my name has 9 letters. My surname has how many? 7.
Yo, it's smelling nice, guys.
Can I flip it?
Yes, guys, you must flip it.
Should be crunchy on the top, like crispy kind of a way. Don't ask me why. I also don't know. I'm just a cooker.
Yeah, and I'm just a joker. The chatterbox. Oompa, doopity, doo. I got a bad feeling about you. Oh my, oh da na 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 na. I whip my hair back and forth. I whip my hair back and forth. Yeah, we're not gonna whip our hair, guys.
We're going to be whisking the cream.
Yeah.
Imaginary.
Guys, this is giving pop.
Yo,
We had this game there where it's like sister something, and then it's like stir the pop.
this and your chicken should be ready. Yeah. Ready or not, here I come. You can
That's
hide.
I'm gonna find you.
And take this in. Be careful, guys. It's hot. If I only had fire powers.
Facts. It's a levitation.
Okay, so guys, we just found out that we have to put it back on the grill to put the cheese so that it can melt, you know.
Yeah, a little buddy told us.
Yes, we will make Berenice do it this time. Yes. Don't burn the chicken.
Chicken.
Just 2 pieces.
2 pieces.
Because this.
You will cut half. Or cut it in squares or something.
In your guys's like countries, whatever, you'll also have Parmalat cheese.
Facts. Because in South Africa we have Parmalat.
Like, it's a general question.
Yeah, we'll just be just for a minute. 1 second. The sauce is giving yes.
No, sometimes you just have to use, I don't know what you call this.
What? Your fingers.
Perfect.
Yeah. Yeah, we need to feel the cooking because we're always using spoons and stuff to show that we are clean.
Yeah, you know. Are we gonna wait for it to melt or like just put it back on?
We can just slap it on. It will do its thing.
But we're just gonna put one piece on, girl.
We're not gonna no, bruh. The people must know we eat it with 2 pieces. Are we gonna put lettuce first? And what? Or what is the story? Yeah? Okay, 1 piece.
Yo, cause now ish. Now forcing.
Alright, and
Now going to add
the special spice.
spicy.
The homemade chilies. Yes, guys, when we have sandwiches or whatever, we always like to put our homemade chilies on. Ooh. Where's the butter knife? Pass the butter knife. Smear on. And let us some mayonnaise also.
I'll see you. It's going to burn.
Burning.
Now sometimes you cannot. It may not look very appetizing, but ish, the spice.
Yeah, you know that one. Don't wanna bend, brah. And now uns later the lettuce. Wait, which side is it going? This one.
Okay, so on that side.
Now we put the tomatoes. Which however many you want, it's your preference.
We just like 2 tomatoes.
And then you set your salt and pepper. Which pepper do you all prefer? White or black?
In this house, ooh,
It's white pepper. Oh,
white pepper.
You put that on that side already. And then this one needs a flip. This looks unarranged. It's fine.
For real.
It's something
It looks like a seahorse. Courtesy
in a bed.
to Monique, who loves seahorse. Okay, and this is the finished product. Thank you for watching Naynay's Kitchen. And this, please like and
And subscribe. Thank you.
now watch me whip. Now watch me Naynay. Is that how
Watch
it
me
goes?
whip. Watch me nay.
Oh,
I must stand.
my. Okay, how do it go again?
Okay. Dog. Okay. Thank you for watching. Watch me whip. Watch me knit. You were so free, bruh.
Okay. Good.
You're gonna say, and this is the chickenburger with Coke. Thank you very much for watching. Stand, come forward, and view something.
So we can't eat this.
No.
Just level
Ah. It must be self-feed.
put the tent on the floor.
You were doing experiment, baby.
And then, so you're not selling it as Coke. You don't say tent.
No, we said Coke. Does it actually look like Coke?
No, it's
Then
purple.
you're not gonna step one back.
Can we eat it after? I will have a
Wait,
wrap.
Ima.
I will have a wrap for supper.
Okay. Daddy, are we saying, okay, this is the finished product with Coke, and then we're gonna say, thank you for watching, watch me whip, watch me nay, like and subscribe. Okay, sorry. This is the chicken. Oh,
Go.
this is the.
Wait.
The second it tells me to go, then it's like no, it's fine.
Pause before you say.
Okay, sorry. Yeah, this is the finished product, the chicken burger with Coke. If you like this video, please like and comment. So now we will. Yes, thank you guys. Oh, what? We're not adding that one.
So, oh, what you have
Okay. Okay. You have to do that thing.
I didn't.
Okay. I made this. I got you saying the line. I'm done.
No.
I took enough. Come. This is the chicken burger with Coke. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please like and comment. Daddy, I don't even know how we're supposed to do the whoop and nay.
You stand.
Exactly. That's what I'm saying. You would say the Coke part. This is the chicken burger and then you say Coke. And the Coke. Ow. And why am I so close to the...
You are there, then you take one step. Thanks for watching Naynay's Kitchen. This is the chicken and Coke burger.
The chicken and Coke burger. Thank you for watching Naynay's Kitchen. This is the chicken and Coke burger. If you liked it, please like and comment. And now we whip. And now we nay.
Thanks.
And then you can add there, subscribe. They forgot to say subscribe.